Bitcoin ATMs have been on the rise for years, and they're proliferating beyond major cities. Crypto ATMs allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrency, transfer Bitcoin to cash and cash to Bitcoin, and easily transfer money across the globe. They are user-friendly, safe, and offer users who may have otherwise not been interested in cryptocurrency an easy way to check it out. The Bitcoin ATM market is developing rapidly, influenced mainly by the growing number of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency users worldwide. As a result, this year these ATMs are expected to show up in more public locations such as supermarkets and shopping centers. These industries are all aggressively investing in Bitcoin ATMs due to the rapidly increasing demand from consumers. What are Bitcoin ATMs? What is a Bitcoin ATM? It's a machine that allows you to buy or sell Bitcoins for cash. Bitcoin ATMs are becoming more and more popular as they offer a convenient way to buy or sell Bitcoins without having to go through a traditional bank or exchange. Bitcoin ATMs are the future of banking because they offer a number of advantages over traditional banking methods. They are faster, more efficient, and more secure. And best of all, they are available 24/7. The crypto boom boosts number of Bitcoin ATMs. The crypto boom has led to a surge in the number of Bitcoin ATMs around the world. As more and more people become interested in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, the demand for Bitcoin ATMs is increasing. While the majority of Bitcoin ATMs are still located in the United States, we are seeing a growing number of ATMs in other countries as well. This is a sign that the global interest in cryptocurrency is on the rise and that Bitcoin is becoming more accessible to people all over the world. With the crypto boom showing no signs of slowing down, we can only expect the number of Bitcoin ATMs to continue to grow in the coming months and years. Bitcoin ATMs gain traction in emerging markets. Bitcoin ATMs are gaining popularity in emerging markets as more people look to cryptocurrencies as a way to store value. In countries like Venezuela, where the currency is in flux, Bitcoin ATMs provide a way for people to convert their local currency into a more stable form of money. Cryptocurrencies are also becoming more popular in countries like Zimbabwe, where the government has a history of manipulating the currency. Bitcoin ATMs provide a way for people to get around these restrictions and access the global economy. As cryptocurrencies become more popular, Bitcoin ATMs will likely become more common in emerging markets. This could provide a way for people in these countries to access the global economy and diversify their investments. Conclusion: as Bitcoin becomes more and more popular, Bitcoin ATMs are popping up all over the world. They are a convenient way to buy and sell Bitcoin, and they are the future of banking. Look out for Bitcoin ATMs in your area and try them out. You may be surprised at how easy and convenient they are to use.